All right, so a lot of people are asking, why do we torque wire terminations and how much do we torque wire terminations? So as you can see right there, this is 500 kc mil aluminum landed on a large breaker. It's a 400 amp breaker, and this little chart right here tells you what you're going to torque it to in inch pounds. So all you have to do is look up the specific lugs that you have. In this case, we have a TA 401K with a 2/0 to 500 and a 2/0 to 250. So we're going to torque that to 375 inch pounds, which is going to be 31.5 foot-pounds. So I have already went through and done that, but you just set your torque wrench to 31.5 foot-pounds and you turn it till it clicks. Now the reason you do that is because of thermal expansion. So when the termination begins to build heat, the wires tend to expand, and so does the lug. If you don't torque it to the correct spec and you take it too tight, then the wire tries to expand too fast and you risk damaging some of the strands of wire because they expanded past the point they could. Imagine if you put a piece of barbed wire around a tree and then the tree grows too large. The barbed wire cuts into the tree. So this is the same principle right here. So make sure you always put the correct amount of torque on your lugs whenever you are installing wire. Hopefully y'all found this useful, and as always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for all our future videos, and have a great day.